At Murals Your Way, we know finding the right image for your wall mural is super important to you. It must be an image that appeals to your unique tastes and that is perfect for the space where it will be installed. We want to help make finding that perfect image a little easier by walking you through our website. If you have a pretty good idea of what you're looking for already, our search engine can make your hunt easier and quicker. When you type in your search, instead of hitting enter right away, we suggest looking at the menu that pops up below to see if you would like to select a category or content such as blog posts or even a particular image that's presented. When you're searching, it's best to start broad so that you get a range of choices, unless you know exactly what you're searching for. In addition to the search bar, we have an extensive list of image categories. You can find these by selecting Shop Murals on the top navigation. A few noteworthy tips on searching by category. New Wallpaper Murals is a category to see our latest offerings. Artists is a category if you'd like to search by artist name. On the right side, you will notice that you can search trends such as bold florals and misty forest murals. Once in a category, animals for example, you have a few options. You can start scrolling through all the images in the animals category. You can select a subcategory that you're interested in, such as dogs. You can use the filters to narrow down your search by color, style, or orientation. Once you start using filters, please note that the filters you have selected are shown under Currently Shopping By. You can add or subtract from those filters to help pinpoint your search. We encourage you to have fun browsing the various styles and subjects of our curated collections. We are also proud to present images from hundreds of talented artists whom we license with, many on an exclusive basis. Please remember that you can always use your own image for a wall mural as well. To do so, simply select our Create Your Own feature on the top navigation. We can use your image as is or help you combine, edit, change, or repair images to meet your needs. We have a talented team of in-house graphic designers at Murals Your Way who are skilled at making your dream mural into a reality. Lastly, if you can't find an image on our website, please don't hesitate to contact us. We can help you search through our collections to locate the design you had in mind. Plus, if we don't have the design already, we can help you locate something that will suit your project.